Welcome to our review of the Rubbermaid Brilliance 3.2 and 4.7 cup food storage container set, a versatile and durable solution for your kitchen organization. This 18-piece set includes 9 clear bases with matching lids, making it easy to see what's inside without opening. The containers are designed to be airtight and leak-proof, ensuring your food stays fresh longer and prevents spills. Made from BPA-free, stain-resistant material, these containers are safe for the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. Their stackable design saves space in your fridge or pantry, keeping everything neat and accessible. The lids snap securely and feature easy open tabs for convenient access. Overall, this set combines practicality with a sleek, modern look to enhance your food storage experience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.